Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Now.
Drumsticks Vegetable Fry, an easy Goan dish that's full of flavor and loaded with health benefits. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for drumsticks, a flavorful vegetable stir-fry made with tender drumsticks, fresh coconut, onions, tomatoes, and a few Goan spices. It's light, comforting, and pairs perfectly with rice or chapati. And the best part? Drumsticks are rich in vitamins, iron, fiber, and antioxidants. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious drumsticks vegetable fry. Step 1. Preparing the drumsticks. We have taken 4 drumsticks weighing around 300 grams. Take a drumstick and first cut both the ends. One way is to remove or scrape off the outermost layer of the skin from the whole drumstick like I have shown. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Then cut it into 2 to 3 inch size pieces and put them in a bowl of water. Second way is to cut the drumsticks into 2 to 3 inch size pieces.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Then scrape off the skin. Only scrape off a thin outermost layer of the skin. Do not remove a thick layer of the skin or the drumstick will crack open and fall apart. Do this for all the remaining drumsticks. Once done, put the pieces of drumsticks in a bowl of water and keep them aside. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. Take 2 medium-sized onions. Cut the onions into broad slices like I have shown. Take 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Cut them fine. Take 2 medium-sized green chilies. Cut them into 2 and then slit them. Take 5 medium-sized garlic cloves. Cut them very fine. Take 1/4 cup of coriander or cilantro leaves for garnishing. 20 to 25 curry leaves or curry patta. 1/4 cup of freshly grated coconut. Take half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Half teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Half teaspoon of sugar. 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Step 3. Preparing the drumsticks vegetable fry. On medium heat in an open thick bottom pan, add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil or any other cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds start spluttering, add the cumin or jeera seeds. Once the jeera seeds start spluttering, add the garlic pieces and stir. After around a minute, add the onions. Stir everything nicely. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Once the onions turn translucent or slightly light brown, add the slit green chilies and stir. Add the turmeric or haldi powder. Add the Kashmiri red chili powder. Add the cut tomatoes. Add the curry leaves or curry patta. Stir everything nicely. Add around 2 tablespoons of water to soften the tomatoes. Adding little water will also prevent anything from sticking to the pan. Add the salt. Stir everything properly. Once the tomatoes are slightly soft, drain and discard the water from the drumstick bowl and add them. Stir everything properly. Drumsticks or moringa pods are rich in vitamins, iron and antioxidants. They help improve digestion, boost immunity and are great for bone health, making this dish not only satisfying but also incredibly good for your health. Add quarter cup or 60 ml of water. Add the half teaspoon of sugar. Drumsticks generally take around 10 to 15 minutes to cook. Add the garam masala powder. Mix everything nicely. Cover and cook for some time. Stir frequently to avoid sticking or burning and add little water if required. We added around 2 tablespoons of water. Check for salt and add if required. Check if the drumsticks are cooked. Then add the freshly grated coconut. Mix everything properly. Once ready, add the finely cut coriander or cilantro leaves. Mix everything nicely. Delicious drumsticks vegetable fry is ready. You can serve it hot with rice and curry and also enjoy it with bread, chapati or roti. Do share this recipe with your friends and family members and help us spread the love for Goan cuisine around the world. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.